So I am a self-employed mortgage professional, and I found myself needing a spreadsheet to track my income and expenses for taxes so that I could know how much I was going to owe Uncle Sam at the end of the year. So I created this spreadsheet. It's pretty basic. You put the date of the transaction, the amount, negatives for, expenses, positives for income. You put the entity name, you put the reason for the transaction, and then we have these drop boxes for different expense categories. And all these drop boxes correspond to these boxes here. So you have all the expenses, and this is literally copied from the Schedule C on the tax return. Your accountant is going to love you for this because you literally just put whatever your expense was, and you have a drop box for all of those options, and you just put it in there. You put what it was, and it allocates it for you automatically. Same with income, and you can name, like, there's extra ones in here. So if you wanted to count other things, maybe you wanted to track different expenses or whatever, you could put that in here and it would show up in the Dropbox automatically. Same with income. If you wanted to name your income, you know, uh, you know, supplies or sales, you can put that in here, and you in your Dropbox, boom, sales is there, and it'll calculate all of that. And it automatically, you also have a category here for not counted. So if you wanted to put, items in the list, but you didn't want them to be either income or expenses, you can put not counted and it'll be there. And not counted is one of the options as well. So you can do that also. So pretty awesome tool there. It will calculate your revenue. It'll calculate your expenses. It'll show you a profit and loss. It will also calculate your taxable income, which isn't necessarily the same as profit and loss because it calculates your Social Security taxes for the year, your Medicare. So these are your self-employment taxes. It also calculates your income tax. And you have the income tax tables right here. So the first 22,000 is going to tax at 2%, 10%. And then after that, up to this amount, it's going to tax at 12%, and so on and so forth. And in future years, you can update these numbers with the tax rates for that time. And then it also is going to calculate your maximum SEP IRA contribution if you wanted to do that. And if you wanted to make a SEP IRA contribution, you can put that in here and it will automatically take down your self-employment taxes and income tax accordingly because SEP IRA contributions are, deductible. Same with mileage. If you have a business vehicle that you use for mileage, you put your mileage in here and boom, it drops everything down for mileage as well. So very useful tool, very helpful. Also has a separate sheet with a balance sheet on here. The checking corresponds to the balance, the ending balance on your main account. So it has like your total balance in here, and then you can put in whatever savings account balance, and this updates as well. So you can put whatever you need in here for that. So there you go. That is my tool. I think it's super helpful. It's definitely beneficial for me in my business, and maybe it'll be beneficial for you in your business. Hope you like it. Thanks.